Hey everyone, I am back in the search result list for the Edgar Allan Poe search that I did earlier. And this time I'm going to show you how to get the citation information that you will need in order to do your works cited or your reference page. Sometimes it's called a bibliography, but it is the way that you are going to give credit to your sources, give credit to where your information came from. I'm going to start by going into this research starter here on Edgar Allan Poe. And when you are in one of the articles, you will find some tools that come up here over on the right-hand side. The one we're looking at today is this here, Cite, C-I-T-E. Sometimes when you see it, it's just the little icons that are along the side here without the actual wording. But if you hover over the pictures, you will get some text that comes up that shows you what each of these icons will do. So I'm going to come down to this one, which is the Cite, C-I-T-E icon. And when I click on that, you'll see that I get a whole lot of different citation formats that show up. This one is a very popular one, APA style. But the one that we are going to be using, we need to scroll down a little bit. We want to find the MLA or the Modern Language Association citation format. It's the one that we use at Cherry Hill High School East. It's the one that is most often used in college, depending on what your major is. Some majors, some graduate schools, some colleges themselves for undergrad will use APA or will use other styles, but MLA is a very common one, and it is what we're going to be using here at East. So in order to work with this works cited, and for the task that you're going to be doing today, we're going to highlight the two lines of the works cited. So notice how it is done with a hanging indentation, is what it's called, whereas the first line is justified all the way over to the left, and the second line is indented a little bit over underneath. So it's a little bit different than writing a paragraph. Usually it's done the other way. When you're writing a paragraph for a paper, the indentation is on the first line and then everything else is left justified. But I just wanted you to take note of this because this will become important in the next video when we look at making your actual works cited list in Google Docs. So for now, just highlight the MLA format of your citation, and then you're going to right click on here and you will copy this format, and then you're going to paste it into the Google form that you are completing for the task today. So please do that for at least one of the citations, at least one of the articles that you found related to your search. And we'll go on to the next video after that so that we can see how to put together your works cited list in Google Doc.